nakikiramay po tayo sa pamilya na naiwan po ni former Yusek Catalina Cabral. At nakakalungkot po ang nangyari. Pero, yun po, muli nakikiramay po tayo.
Follow-up question from Darlene Guy, GMSL.
Good morning, Yusek. Following the death of former Undersecretary Cabral, what is the palace's directive on the investigations or inquiries surrounding yung mga cases or allegations sa kanya?
Sa ngayon po ay wala pong kaso.
I mean, sorry, inquiries or investigations concerning projects involving former Undersecretary Cabral.
Nasa kamay na po yan ng mga mag-iimbestiga. So sa ngayon po, wala pong kinakaharap na kaso si Yusek Cabral.
Follow-up question from Katrina Domingo of ABS-CBN.
Good morning, Undersecretary. Ma'am, before her death, the ICI recommended further investigation about Yusek Cabral as well as former DPWH Secretary Manuel Bonoan. Is the executive branch tracing his whereabouts considering that he was supposed to return to the Philippines on December 17 and the immigration says he is not yet here?
Tingnan po natin, sa ngayon po ay wala pang kinukuha patungkol po dyan.
Just a follow-up question. How urgent is this issue for the palace considering that a key witness died, another person of interest is nowhere to be found in the Philippines, and Zalico is still at large?
Okay, ginagalang po natin muna pasamantala ang pribadong buhay at ang pamilya po na ni Yusek Cabral. Sa ngayon wala pong pinag-uutos ang Pangulo at muli walang kaso at kung meron man pag-iimbis ng gagawin, bahala na po. Nasa kami na po ito ng mga investigative bodies.
As for Mr. Bonoan and Mr. Zalico?
Mr. Saldico, meron pong red notice tayo nire-request for Saldico. Kay Mr. Bonoan, tingnan po natin, supposedly December 17, siya naman po ay pribadong tao. Tingnan po natin kung merong kaso may sasampa sa kanya. So, doon na naman po siya siguro papatawag.
Next question.